The enabling environment, transforming development to minimize risk creation. Sustainable development is a common goal worldwide. However, risks are increasingly arising despite development efforts and progress. In fact, development and risk are oftentimes two sides of the same coin. We are creating risks faster than we can manage them. Our current way of addressing risks falls short in the face of climate change, urbanization, and other risk drivers. To minimize risk creation, we need to consider systemic and dynamic risks in our decision-making processes. Decision makers have to choose the most appropriate development option to minimize risks. But what does that mean? Sometimes the cheapest or politically favored decision entails a lot of risks. Another option might be more risk-informed, thereby strengthening the resilience of people and infrastructure. Considering risks in decision-making and choosing the most appropriate path can be overwhelming. So the question is, how can we become more risk-informed in our development choices despite this complexity? Here, enabling environment for risk-informed development can help. To institutionalize a risk lens within development decision-making, we need to understand and improve the set of informational, policy-related, organizational, financial, procedural, environmental, and cultural conditions that determine risk creation in a specific context. This complex web of conditions is what we call the enabling environment. The framework allows us to identify gaps and insufficiencies regarding risk-informed decisions in a specific context. These can be taken up by decision makers as entry points to develop more resilient solutions and build individual and organizational capacities accordingly. Improving the conditions of the enabling environment relies on action on all levels, from the national to the local and across sectors. To reduce risk creation, we need to transform development efforts. We get closer to our goal of sustainable development with each risk-informed decision.